the mask mandates lifted, crowds are going to Saints games, and conventions are returning to the city.
And 2 weeks ago, we had the Krewe of Boo parade. And how are our local COVID numbers looking? Medical reporter Meg Ferris checked in with the City Health Department.
It's looking like there's positive news about COVID numbers coming out of the Krewe of Boo parade 2 weeks ago.
The day of the parade, we did do PCR testing on the route and of the crew, and none of those turned up positive.
That involved 60 random tests, and in a survey of 1,200 people, only 2% said they felt sick in the last 3 days prior.
I think the message is out: if you're not feeling well, don't come to the parade.
Follow-up surveys are due back Monday evening. There'll be no results from the take-home test kits they gave out because the manufacturer recalled them. They had been sitting on container ships too long with the supply chain shortage. So in the coming days, the health department will check those surveys and state testing databases to see if numbers went up, but it looks good.
We have not seen a bump in our city numbers. We have not seen a bump in the university trackers. We haven't seen a bump in the public school numbers, which again is another marker. So those are all making us feel really encouraged that we're not going to see a big event.
Dr. Jennifer Avegno says there's reasons for the good numbers. We're not in a surge. There's less virus in the community. There's a vaccine mandate for events like Saints games, and our high vaccine rate. Adults in Orleans are at 75%. That's giving us herd immunity.
That's why we don't have measles outbreaks at parades or Saints game either, because we have a really high level of community protection.
Are Christmas and Mardi Gras and tourism coming in? Is that looking better in your view?
It certainly seems like things are coming back, and they're coming back because our rates are very low. And there is this layer of protection with the vaccine mandate.
And with adult boosters and children now eligible for the vaccine, the layer of protection could get stronger. Meg Ferris, Eyewitness News.
And Dr. Avegno says there's still a school mask mandate because the vaccine rate for children and teens is only 18%. New studies show there are fewer outbreaks in schools with masking, though.